Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy Blockdag using MetaMask step by step. Open MetaMask and confirm you are on the right network, then check your balance. Add the token contract address and import the token to view it. When swapping, review slippage and gas settings to avoid issues. Confirm the transaction and wait for network confirmations, then verify your token appears in your wallet and record transaction details for safekeeping. Start by unlocking MetaMask and connecting to the exchange where Blockdag is listed. Always double-check the site URL and permissions before approving a connection. If the site asks for transaction approvals, read each prompt carefully and decline anything unexpected. Keep your seed phrase offline and never share it, since that protects your funds. Once connected, you are ready to paste the token contract and prepare your swap with confidence and caution. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful walkthroughs. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for busy crypto users who hate chores, with voice control and smart navigation making cleanup effortless. I love how it frees up time for trading and researching tokens. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To execute the purchase, enter the token contract address and choose the amount of currency to swap. Set slippage tolerance to a safe percentage based on token volatility, and then approve the token if needed. Review the estimated gas fee in MetaMask and adjust speed if you prefer lower cost or faster confirmation. After confirming, watch the transaction status and once complete, check your wallet balance to ensure Blockdag appears correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.